Hey guys, we're gonna go hit up a trout lake here. It's just west of town. Rainbows, brook trout, browns. We did pretty good last time, fishing a little deeper. It's post spawn for the brookies, so they're starting to move deeper too. And see what we can do. Give you some tips and get you on some fish, hopefully. Hey guys, today we're gonna rig up with this rock hard jig with just this real super sensitive tail. This thing just swims around in the water. It's awesome. The Piscifun Honor reel, it's been working great. Just a regular old ugly stick, medium heavy. It's a little heavy for this because this is my walleye rod, but it'll do the trick. But there is some big bows in here, so hopefully you can get on some. Another little brookie. Nice little brookie. It's a longer, skinnier one. Okay, we just hooked into a pretty nice bow. Haven't seen him yet. Oh, he's just a nice 14-incher probably. Nice batty. Well, today we're just 20 to 24 feet of water. Didn't have much time today. I kind of got out here for the last maybe hour and a half, but we watch Vince there catch that beautiful brown, and he got his triple crown today in the lake. Brookies, brown, and a rainbow. And got quite a few brookies, quite a few nice rainbows. They were landing before I showed up, and I got that nice little football, but not as big as some of the ones they're getting earlier. We're just fishing like 24 to 20 feet of water, and to get on them so you stay on them good, you're gonna do different heights, like bring it up three foot at a time, and give it a while. Don't get anything, bring it up another 3 feet. It's easy to tell this by just bring it to your 3 foot mark, reel it up to the bottom, keeping it close until you get to taunt again, and that'll be 3 feet. Then just bring it back up to where you're fishing at. And once you find that level they're swimming at, you can stay on them all day because they're usually going to be pretty consistent at that height. And since we're fishing on the side of a slope, kind of a bit of a drop off between another drop off, it's kind of like a shelf here between the two sections. So we got a big drop off right here, it's a shelf, then another drop off, and they're just sucking in those inside corners. And we did really good the other day, and they did really good today. And hopefully next weekend I get a warning out, and I'll show you some of those real nice ones, some of those bigger bows. Maybe some nice browns too. Take care. Till next time.